In today's video, we're going to explore a natural and easy way to dye your hair using coffee. Yes, you heard that right, coffee. Not only is coffee a delicious beverage, but it can also serve as an effective and natural way to give your hair a darker, richer tone without resorting to harsh chemicals. So, if you're looking for a more natural alternative to traditional hair dyes, keep watching. Why choose coffee for hair dyeing? Before diving into the process, let's first talk about why coffee is a great natural hair dye. Many people are looking for chemical-free ways to color their hair, and coffee is an excellent option. It's all natural, and it doesn't contain any of the toxic chemicals that are often found in commercial hair dyes, which can sometimes lead to scalp irritation or hair damage. Coffee is also packed with antioxidants, which are beneficial for your hair and scalp. These antioxidants can help protect your hair from damage, improve its health, and add a natural shine. So, not only will you be getting a rich color, but you'll also be nourishing your hair in the process. Coffee as a natural hair dye. How does it work? Coffee can work as a natural hair dye by temporarily staining the hair with its dark pigments. The color may not be as permanent as synthetic hair dye, but it can still last for a few weeks depending on your hair type and the process you follow. The coffee dyeing process is best suited for those with brown or dark brown hair, as it enhances existing dark tones. It's important to note that coffee works best when you are looking for a more subtle change, such as darkening your hair or giving it a deeper, richer hue. For those with lighter hair, coffee can add highlights or an overall warmer tone, but the results may not be as dramatic as they would be for darker hair. What you'll need to dye your hair with coffee. To get started with dyeing your hair using coffee, here's what you'll need: strong brewed coffee. The stronger the coffee, the better the results. Aim for about 2 cups of brewed coffee, and make sure it's cooled down before applying it to your hair. A towel or old clothes. Coffee can stain fabrics, so it's a good idea to protect your clothes and surroundings. A bowl, to mix the coffee and other ingredients. A brush or applicator bottle, to apply the coffee mixture evenly to your hair. Plastic cap or shower cap, to cover your hair and allow the coffee to set. Conditioner, optional. Some people like to mix a small amount of conditioner into the coffee to help with the application process and make the mixture smoother. Hair tie, to keep your hair secured while it sets. Now that you have everything ready, let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Brew the coffee. Start by brewing a strong cup of coffee. You'll need about 2 cups of brewed coffee to cover your entire head of hair. Make sure the coffee is fresh and brewed strongly, as this will give you the deepest color. The stronger the coffee, the more effective it will be in coloring your hair. Once brewed, let the coffee cool completely to avoid any discomfort when applying it to your scalp. You can let it sit at room temperature for about 15-20 minutes or place it in the refrigerator to speed up the cooling process. Step 2. Mix the coffee with conditioner, optional. For smoother application and added shine, you can mix the cooled coffee with a tablespoon of conditioner. This step is optional, but it will help the coffee blend more easily into your hair. The conditioner will also ensure your hair remains moistured while the coffee sets. In your bowl, add the cooled coffee and conditioner, and stir it together until fully combined. The mixture should have a smooth consistency, making it easier to apply to your hair. Step 3. Apply the coffee mixture to your hair. Once your coffee mixture is ready, it's time to apply it to your hair. For the best results, make sure your hair is clean and damp. This will help the coffee to absorb more evenly. Start at the roots and work your way down to the tips of your hair, making sure to coat each strand thoroughly. You can use a brush or an applicator bottle to apply the coffee evenly, but be careful not to miss any sections. If your hair is long or thick, it might help to section it off to ensure that the coffee is applied evenly to all parts of your hair. Step 4. Cover your hair and let it set. After you've applied the coffee mixture to your hair, cover it with a plastic cap or a shower cap. This will help to trap the heat and allow the coffee to penetrate the hair shaft more effectively. Leave the coffee on your hair for at least 30 minutes to an hour. The longer you leave it, the deeper the color will be. For a more intense color, you can even leave it on for a few hours. However, don't worry if you can't leave it on for too long. The coffee will still provide a subtle color change, even after 30 minutes. Step 5. Rinse and condition. After you've let the coffee sit for the desired amount of time, it's time to rinse it out. Use cool or lukewarm water to rinse your hair thoroughly. Make sure to rinse until the water runs clear and all of the coffee is removed from your hair. After rinsing, apply a conditioner to your hair to restore moisture and shine. Coffee can sometimes leave your hair feeling a little dry, so conditioning is important to keep your locks soft and nourished. Step 6. Dry and style. Once you've rinsed out the coffee and conditioned your hair, you can proceed with drying and styling as usual. Allow your hair to air dry or blow dry it for your desired look. Once dry, you'll notice that your hair has taken on a darker, richer color with a healthy shine. How long will the coffee dye last? The results of coffee dyeing can vary based on your hair type, but the color usually lasts for a few weeks. For some, the color may fade after 2-3 washes, while others may notice the color lingering a little longer. You can reapply the coffee treatment every couple of weeks to maintain the color, or if you'd like a deeper shade, you can apply the treatment more frequently. Additional tips for coffee hair dyeing. Test first. If you're unsure about how coffee will affect your hair color, do a strand test first. This will allow you to see the results before applying the coffee mixture to your entire head. For lighter hair, if you have light brown or blonde hair, coffee can give you a subtle, warmer tint. However, it may not result in a dramatic color change like it does with darker hair. For gloss and shine, coffee is packed with antioxidants, which can add shine and luster to your hair. Using coffee as a hair treatment will not only color your hair but also make it look healthier. Natural variations. The results can vary depending on your natural hair color and texture. Some people may experience a more noticeable change in color, while others may just see a slight deepening of their natural shade. Conclusion. Dyeing your hair naturally with coffee is a simple, affordable, and chemical-free way to add depth and richness to your hair color. It's an excellent alternative for those who want to enhance their dark hair or give it a warmer tone. Plus, you get the added benefits of coffee's antioxidants, which help nourish your hair and scalp. If you're looking for a safe, natural way to dye your hair without the harsh chemicals found in store-bought dyes, give coffee a try. It's a fun and creative way to change up your look while keeping your hair healthy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips and tricks.